Hello friends, have you ever been driving smoothly and suddenly your engine starts misfiring, losing power, or even stalling? You plug in your obd2 scanner and it throws code P0210 Injector Circuit Malfunction, cylinder 10. But what does this mean, and how can you fix it before it causes major damage? Let's break it down. Diagnostic trouble code P0210 means that the Engine Control Module, ECM, has detected a problem with the fuel injector circuit for cylinder 10. This can happen due to a faulty injector, damaged wiring, or even a failing ECM. If not addressed, it can lead to poor fuel economy, engine misfires, and increased emissions. The location of cylinder 10 depends on your engine type. V10 engines, which are common in trucks and SUVs, typically have cylinder 10 located on the passenger side, towards the rear of the engine. The fuel injector is mounted on the intake manifold, connected to the fuel rail and wiring harness. Faulty fuel injector. A damaged or clogged injector can cause improper fuel delivery. Broken or corroded wiring, loose, frayed, or shorted wires can interrupt the injector signal. ECM malfunction. A failing ECM might not send the correct signals to the injector. Fuel delivery issues. A weak fuel pump or clogged fuel filter can cause injector circuit failures. Step 1. Inspect the wiring and connector for cylinder 10's injector. If you find damage or corrosion, repair or replace them. Step 2. Use a multimeter to measure the injector's resistance. If it's out of the normal range, which is 10 to 15 ohms, replace the injector. Step 3. Check for voltage at the injector connector. If no voltage is present, the issue could be with the wiring or ECM. Step 4. Swap the injector with another cylinder. If the code moves to that cylinder, the injector is faulty and needs replacement. Ignoring P0210 can lead to engine misfires, poor fuel economy, and long-term damage. Fixing it early will keep your car running efficiently. If you're still experiencing issues, consult a professional mechanic. Want to learn more about obd2 error codes? Check out these next videos. P0139, Oxygen Sensor Circuit Slow Response, Bank 1, Sensor 2, and P0140, Oxygen Sensor Circuit No Activity Detected, Bank 1, Sensor 2. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.